Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I am here with the project share for the Issa Link Party Volume 5, hosted by Scrap the World, who is Tamika. For this episode, we had to create 3 treat bags with windows. Each bag had to have 3 decorative elements on them, and you also could take it a step further by adding embossing, paint, or whatever. So I want to share with you what I created for this episode. First of all, let me start with the products I used. This is some of the trim that I used from my stash. Really pretty polka dot trim. This is the Stampin' Up! Tag Topper Punch. Some gem stickers, the little small hearts. I used the red ones from DCWV. The embossing folder Victoria by Cuttlebug. And to create my windows, I used labels 14, labels 11, and the Classic Squares small. Okay. And the papers that also I used this bling trim that was in my stash. I could not tell you where it came from. I've had it for so long. And the papers that I used to create the bags were the Jet Black Stack from DCWV. This Orange Blossom Recollections paper pad. Really pretty papers. And also I used LOL. Okay, so let's start. And I use different tutorials, so those will be linked in the description box. This first one was by Poodle's Papercraft, and a lot of us are familiar with her and her love for boxes. So this one, I followed her tutorial, very easy to do. This is where I use the tag topper punch. The 3 elements that I have are the twine. I added some washi back here because that was a raw edge, and then I added these flowers. And this could hold quite a few treats in it. Here's my window. I thought that turned out really cute. I really love this paper. Just real springy. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's my first one. My second one, I followed a tutorial by Stamping with Amore. And this bag came together quickly as well. They were really fast to do. So this was from the Jet Black Stack. And the elements that I added here were the ribbon, this dress charm, and also the little red hearts. I just sporadically put them around the front. And this is where I use the embossing folder on this inset piece around my window. Gave it a little flare. And the ribbon came out of my stash. I already had that. And then for my third one, this is the LOL paper. I pulled out the gold here to highlight my window here. This tutorial was the one that Tamika did. And again, all tutorials will be linked in the description box. I added a gold bolt from Hobby Lobby. Here's that polka dot trim. I took that all the way around. Oh, I added actually another element. This is some washi that I added back here. And here's that bling trim. So that is my submission for the Issa Link Party Volume 5. The link parties last the entire month, so you still have a lot of time to enter if you'd like to choose to do so. I will also link her blog post in the description box as well, so that you can see all the instructions and what you need to do. But those are my bags for the treat bags with windows. Thank you all for stopping by and watching. Happy crafting!